Would you like to learn how to make the best and easiest cupcakes ever? Here's how to make them. First, you need cake mix, icing and sprinkles, oil, cupcake sleeves, 1 cup of water, a whisk, cupcake pan, and a bowl and eggs. First, you'll need cake batter, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of oil. Then you will take a whisk and beat it until it is moist. Then you will put 3 whole eggs into the mixture. I don't want to mess this up.
Let me do it.
Is it doing it? Is it going on? Okay. Then you will put the cupcake batter into the cupcake pan.
Two-thirds of what? Two-thirds of what in each sleeve?
Then you will preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You will eat the extra cake mix while the oven is preheating. The next step is to put this in the oven when the oven is ready. Next, you will take them out. After they're done, you will wait until they cool so you can put the delicious creamy icing and sprinkles on the cupcakes. Put delicious creamy icing on to the cupcake. The last step is to apply the sprinkles.
There's a tab to open it.
Now we are finished with the cupcakes. I hope you enjoy them.